Good evening, folks. Mark here. What I have today is a 56-inch KDK industrial fan. They actually never sold these in the United States, to the best of my knowledge, but I was able to acquire this as part of a trade deal from my friend Emmanuel. Check out his videos if you want to see some more of these KDKs. His name is Emanfan on YouTube, and he has all kinds of KDK videos from Santo Domingo, which is where this fan was from. It was in an old furniture store. So, well, let's hop to it. We've got high. Medium. Low. And off. Now the KDK is a Japanese fan that has a lot of plastic components to it, similar to the Dayton Lasco, another Japanese fan. Yeah, they're. I think it's a very attractive fan. You know, it's got the nice little medallion in the middle. You know, it's a sharp-looking fan. It's just yeah, they never really took off in the U.S. They never bothered importing them, to the best of my knowledge, anyway. Yeah, there you have it. A 56-inch KDK industrial fan. A little bit of rust here and there, but I guess that's common from fans in that area. It's a coastal country. And yeah, this is my new testing rig, if you want to call it that, here at the Fancave. Took two 6-foot shelves, a couple of 2x4s. They actually have a couple of J-hooks. I've just installed one so far. the remote. And yeah, this place will fill up with fans sooner or later. Just haven't really had much in the way of time, but I think I'll do that Emerson fan next. But well, there you have it, folks. 56-inch KDK industrial fan, Japanese fan from the Dominican Republic. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.